What properties can you observe about the sun? High in the sky, a bright, blazing star shines. You can see it in the morning and during the day. It is the sun. You can see the sun's light. Sunlight warms Earth's land, air, and water. You and almost all life on Earth depend on this one star. The sun's light makes life on Earth possible. Science vocabulary. My science vocabulary this week is energy, gravity, light, sun, temperature, and transform. The sun is a star that is nearest to Earth. The sun looks bigger and brighter than other stars because it is the nearest star to Earth. Energy is the ability to do work or cause a change. The sun sends energy out into space. Light is a kind of energy you can see. The Earth gets light energy from the sun. Transform. To transform is to change. Light energy can transform into heat energy and warm the land and other objects. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. The sidewalk has a cool temperature in the shade. And gravity is a force that pulls objects towards each other. Earth's gravity pulls a thrown ball back to Earth. Properties of the sun. The sun is just one of millions of stars in the sky. Why does it look bigger and brighter than other stars? The sun looks so large and bright because it is the nearest star to Earth. It is about 150 million kilometers or 93 million miles away. If you could drive to the sun in a car, it would take about 177 years. The Mars rover took this photograph of the sun from the surface of Mars. The sun appears much smaller from Mars than it does from Earth. That's because Mars is further away from the sun. The sun is a medium-sized star. Some stars are much larger than others. Others are smaller. Compared to Earth, however, the sun is huge. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside of it. As you can see in the model below, the sun is much bigger than even the largest planet, Jupiter. This is Earth. This is Jupiter. Look how small Earth is compared to the sun. Life on Earth depends on energy from the sun. Energy is the ability to do work or cause a change. You need energy to live. The sun's energy is everywhere and changes form. The sun's energy is in the full use to run the car. The sun's energy is in the fuel used to run a car. It is the food you eat. It's even in the air that moves around you as wind. The sun is very bright. Do not look at it directly, or it will damage your eyes. Different kinds of energy comes from the sun. Some of the energy is in the form of light. Light is a kind of energy you can see. During the day, you can see sunlight all around you. When sunlight reaches Earth, it warms things. You can feel the sunlight warming your skin when you walk outside. So, some questions to think about is, name a kind of energy that comes from the sun. Why does the sun look bigger and brighter than other stars? And why do you need the sun to live?